Good morning, children. Today we will read WH sound words. WH. How will we pronounce it? F. WH means V. V as in whale. What is the sound of the word WHALE? V A L. Whale. Second word is children. F I T. White. WHITE. We will read it in Hindi sound and English sound both. F I T. White. My shirt is white. You can make sentence from this word also. Second word whip. 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 Whip is a leather strip with handle. He has a whip. W E P. Whip. WHALE. F A L. Whale. Whale is a water animal. Then what? WHAT. What is a word which we use in raising questions? Like what is your name? What is your father's name? What do you do? In all these questions, we use what. What is a question word? How will we pronounce it? F A T. What? F A T. What? WHY. F I. Y. F I. Y. Y is also a word which we use to raise question, but what type of question? To know the reason of the incident or something. Like, why are you doing this work? Why? Why are you going there? We want to know reason here. Next word is wheel. 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 V E big E. V E L. Wheel. You can see here the picture of wheel. Without wheel, no vehicle can run. Without wheel, no vehicle can run. Wheel is a tool of vehicle. Or you can say that wheel is an essential part of a vehicle. Now the next word is where. F A R A. Where. 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 Where is a word which we use to raise a question, to know the place. Like, where are you going? We want to know here the place. From where you are coming. And the next word is when. F A N. When. 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 When is again a word which we use to raise question but to know the time, to the date. Like, when you have done this, when you are going there, when you go to school. All these questions we are raising here to know the time. When. The next word is whisper. F E S P E R. whisper. F E S P A R, whisper. WHISPER, whisper. You can see here in this picture, two children are whispering in a very low voice. If someone says something, that is whisper. Whistle. My PT sir has a whistle. F E S L, whistle. WHISTLE, whistle. Whistle is a noun, but we can use it as a verb also. Like, my PT sir whistles, means he is blowing his whistle. Now the next word is whiskers. WHISKERS, whiskers. F E S K E R S, whiskers. Again, F E S K E R S, whiskers. Whiskers is a long hair on the mouth of the animals. Cat's whiskers are strong. You can say cat's whiskers are strong. Next word is which. WHICH. Which is again a WH question, which we use to raise question to know about who has done it, or who is the culprit, or who is the man, who is the animal. Which means who, but we use which in place of who when we are talking about an animal or a non-living thing. Like, which is the tallest animal, which is the fastest animal, which table is red. But if we have to say that who is the tallest man, we will never say which is the tallest man. We will say that who is the tallest. Both having same meaning, who and which, but who we use for a person and which we use for animal and non-living thing. While, WHILE, F E L, while, F I L, while. In while means for a moment, and while means at the same time. While means, like in a sentence we can say, let's sit down for a while. You are doing something else while I am doing my homework. Means you are doing something else at the same time I am doing my homework. In this way, you can make sentences to understand it in a better way, children. Hope you understood all these words. Now you have to write these words in your copy, and then you have to make sentences from them and practice the pronunciation also to pronounce it in a better way. Okay, children, hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on it. Thank you.